Welcome to yoriyoi Electronic Technology, easier-yoriyoi, a leading manufacturer of power tool batteries, inverters, and adapters from China. At yoriyoi, innovation starts at the core. Our in-house R&D team designs intelligent circuits optimized for safety, efficiency, and power. Every circuit board begins with rigorous design and simulation. From layout to final assembly, each layer is reviewed, tested, and verified, because we believe that performance starts with precision. Our factory supplies businesses across more than 50 countries. With full OEM and ODM services, we ensure reliable delivery and professional support worldwide. At yoriyoi, we specialize in a comprehensive range of power solutions, including power tool batteries, inverters, adapters, and a full line of DIY tools and accessories. Whether you're building, repairing, or innovating, we provide the energy and components to bring your ideas to life. From startups to global brands, businesses worldwide trust yoriyoi for dependable products and tailored energy solutions. Our production facilities operate under strict quality control, ensuring every item meets international standards for safety and performance. With a focus on innovation and efficiency, we continue to invest in smart technologies and sustainable practices. At yoriyoi, we power more than just tools. We power progress, partnerships, and the future of energy.